everyone, it's Kawaii. So, it's not really a special upload or anything, but it seems like the Chigyu battle is trending on Nico lately, so I thought I'd join in too. Here are the ingredients. It's a simple dish, just mix beef and cheese and grill it, but the most important thing is this whiskey. Alright, let's start by making the sauce. This time I'm making 2 kinds. First, a garlic sauce to spread on the bread. Cut the top off a head of garlic, add olive oil, pepper, and salt. Wrap it in aluminum foil, and pop it in the toaster. Let it cook thoroughly for about an hour. After that, take it out and mash it up, but be careful because it's hot. Then add mayonnaise and ketchup, plus some hot sauce. If you have it, add a little bit of Chinese dark soy sauce as a secret ingredient. This really adds a lot of depth to the flavor. Next, for the peach sauce, turn it into a paste. Add about 1 tablespoon each of Dijon mustard, hot sauce, and honey, and then some black pepper. That's it for preparing the sauce. Now for the vegetables. Dice the onion and bell pepper. First, sprinkle some salt over just the onions and saute them until they turn golden brown. Quickly cook the bell peppers as well, then set them aside together with the onions. For the beef, spread it out evenly over the entire frying pan and let it sit until it gets a nice sear. Put the beef over, and finally, just sprinkle on some garlic powder, black pepper, and a little salt. Now for the final stretch, add the vegetables and pile on plenty of cheese, don't hold back. This is a cheesy beef sandwich after all. While you're waiting for the cheese to melt, spread some butter on the bread and toast it in the toaster. The meat and cheese are looking perfect. Once you spread garlic sauce on the bread, it's finally time. Oh! It's delicious! And finally, pour plenty of peach sauce on top. Done! Alright. Cheese is best when it's freshly made. Let's dig in right away. I'll enjoy having this. Of course, beef and cheese are a perfect match. The sweet flavor of the peach and the spiciness actually go really well together. It's a surprisingly good combination. This is such a delightful lunch. It's the best. Everyone, please try making it with your favorite beef and share your creations in a video. After all, I did it too. Thank you so much for watching.